just do a little bit of live stream on YouTube, on Facebook. Okay, let's start with Facebook first. So let's say I'm bringing my camera like this. This is my phone camera. I'm bringing my camera, and I'm also bringing my audio. Now, what's next? I want to live stream. I'll go to settings here. Now, but before I go to settings, I'll make sure I go to my Chrome. So let me stop sharing my screen so that I can share the screen of my Chrome browser. Okay. So yeah, so go to my Chrome browser and then go over to my Facebook account now. No, you don't need to just go to this place, live video. Just click on live video. Now go live. Click on go live. I actually have a video a tutorial video I did on this, how to live stream on Facebook, how to live stream on YouTube. Now it's of two ways. You either live stream using your webcam. That is, if you want to, like, maybe you want to do a kind of let's say a teaching, and then you are sitting with your laptop. You can use this one directly. Now we want to use the software, streaming software. So we go to streaming software, click on it. Now one thing about YouTube is Facebook is you have to put in the title of your video, you have to put in description. So I'll go to my what's the live video about. You see, title is required and description is also required. So title, let's say the watchers media conference. Now let me just copy and paste. I'll save it like that. Save. Now this is what we need. You see stream key, and then you see server URL. Those are the two things that we need. And also make sure this one is thick like this, so that each time you cut your live, you can always use the same stream key for your live stream. You don't need to start copying. You don't want to be doing all those all those wireless. So now you copy your stream key, now you go back to your OBS. Let me go back to your OBS. Yeah. So now we go to stream. We copy the stream key. Now this, you paste it here. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, copy and paste. And now I will also copy the server URL. I copy it also. Go back to my OBS. This is the server. Copy and paste, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, then click on apply, click on OK. Now all this there is no time, but I believe after this class we should have a kind of one-on-one training, so that, because all these things it actually have meaning. We have to know them: stream, output, audio, videos, appearance. It's but because of what we want to do tonight. So now I've copied my link already. So the next thing is for me is what? Is to stream. It's connecting. Now my streaming is done. Now let me go back to my Chrome. Where's my Chrome? Okay. So now down here you see go live. So first go live. And what? Live video is starting. So I'm live already. So whatever I'm doing now, so I'm live already. But sorry, let me tell you something. Before you go live, before you stream, you have to do something. You have to test the speed of your network. You have to test your network speed. You have to know how good and how strong your network is. And how do you test it is there is a website that is fast.com. So that's how I do test my network. That is going to give me my upload speed and my download speed. Now how fast my network is now is going to detect it for me now. And we have different, we have internet speed, We have an internet speed by 08 something like that, but this is the more reliable that I do use and I do prescribe for people to use, because it's very. Now this is my download speed. Now before you can check your upload speed, you go to show more info. Now this I don't need this. Most times you will see 32 MB, you should be like, wow, this is. I think someone is asking me to drop. Let me check. I'm coming. Okay, fast. Sorry, I can't type. I don't know the reason why. Telegram has banned me from typing, like sending message to personal groups. I don't know, but maybe let me drop it on the WhatsApp group. Let me drop it. Let me drop it on the WhatsApp group so that I don't know what I did to Telegram. It's been long since they've banned me from sending messages to um, groups, public groups like that. So, but the name of the website is fast.com. So I've sent the link to fast.com, fast.com. I've sent to the WhatsApp. So now this is my upload speed. We have 48 Mbp per second. We have 48 Mbps. I think is a good one for us to stream. And another thing I want us to know and understand is that you see this meter that is reading. We have three different meters. This is for okay. I'm not showing my screen. Sorry, you won't be able to see that. Um. So now this is my OBS bar. Now I said there are three different meters here. We have this one that is showing kbps. There's another one here. There's another one here. Now this one is how fast or how good my network is. The second one is how the numbers of minutes I'm recording. I'm streaming, and then this one is for recording. Now if I start recording now you see that it shows. It begins to show that it means that I've started my recording. So we are still live on Facebook. So that is I believe we get how we can stream on Facebook now.